Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about how to create channels on Slack. So, a channel is basically, you could think of it as a specialized platform within a platform or a group within a platform where you talk about something specific. So, if I've got my main workspace called Wrong Hack, and I would have many different channels in these. So all of these would have their specific purposes. So for example, this one is about how to use Slack. So this is specifically for this particular project, which is about how to use Slack. Or it could be anything. So for example, if I'm a graphic designer, I could have this channel called design. Or if I'm a musician and I'm operating with a team of musicians, I'm working with a team of musicians, then of course I could have different channels for guitarists, for vocalists. So I just want you to get this idea, this concept that channels are to be used for specific sort of communication about a particular topic or a project. So we would see how to create a channel. What you do is you hover over to where you see channels written on the left hand side of your screen in here. Now just click on this plus icon and you could see this option, add channels. So you could browse your existing channels or you could select create a channel. And if you select this, you could then of course name and describe what that channel is about. So I'll just go for that graphic design example, and I will just name this channel as design for project one, which could be just about any project. This is just for demonstration purposes. And then you could add in a description. So the advantage of having a specific channel is that you would not just have to have your main your general channels flooded with all this information. You could organize everything separately. So if you've got multiple projects going on together, you would know specifically which channel to use for what sort of project and what sort of work. And this of course leads to better organization and of course efficient professionalism. Then it is up to you whether to make a channel private or public. If it is set to private, then of course it could only be viewed or joined by people whom you invite specifically manually yourself. No outsiders can join it within your main workspace. So that once again depends on you. And once you're done with that, you would just select create. Okay, so here you could add in any people if you like, and any emails for anybody who's there, like xyz@gmail.com, just a very random sort of email. Or what you could do is you could just skip this for now, just cross this out. Now once this channel has been created, this is a private channel. It could only be joined by information. You could add people in here. Here is some help if you would like to dive more into how channels work, but it's pretty simple as you could see. And you could send in specific messages to this channel. So for example, you could send you could just write it, this channel is specifically for designs about project one, please do not spam. So anybody who would be in this channel right now, of course there is nobody because we haven't added anyone. We could of course just add anybody by just selecting this add option. But when people are added into your channel, they would be able to see in any messages which you have posted in here. And of course this is better than just direct messaging everybody if you've got teammates in here, because of course that could be a hassle. This is way more professional, and coordination of course becomes much easier when you're using channels like these. So this is how you're going to add in any channels on your Slack workspace.